I want to talk about some books I would recommend. Now, I've read conservatively a few hundred different books on investment strategies. Think and Grow Rich all the way to everything you can imagine. And I have more books that I would love to read, but if you pressed me for what would be like the 3 or 4 books, if Annie, look, I hate money. I don't like it, but I need to understand the basics. Here's what I would do. First thing is, there is this guide that came out a long while ago called The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. Now, what I love about this is this one in particular, it's got, you can see, I've got all kinds of notes on this. It is a wonderful dictionary and vocabulary for what is out there and available to you. Now, it was written many years ago, and it's been since revised. I think it came out, I don't know, a long while ago, but it's been revised many times. Grab a recent edition. Kara can put the link to this book from Amazon. By the way, I get these are no referrals. These are not, I don't get paid for any of this. I'm just sharing with you. This would be the first book that I'd read. The second book that I would read is, and interestingly, A Simple Path to Wealth, J.L. Collins, Uncle Jim. Now, this is the paperback version, probably his 2016 version. And if I had to guess, he probably self-published this. That would be my guess. And it's awesome. And it is literally, if I was 22 years old, this is probably what I would do for the rest of my life. And he explains to you very simply, by investing in one Vanguard mutual fund, how you'll be totally covered. It is an awesome book. He's quick, sharp, witty, sarcastic, funny. It's easy to read. It's easy to understand. And the word simple it's true. And the reason I'm chuckling is because for some unforsaken reason, he felt compelled to republish this book. And he used like a platform with Atomic Habits Guide, Clear, whatever his name is, and basically now there's a new hardcover of this. But I bought the $10 paperback, and I absolutely love it. So while this will give you the vocabulary en masse, this will give you the simplest strategy, even though he does help with the vocabulary. Then what I would say is, and this book is sentimental. I read it when it came out when I was 30 years old, The Millionaire Next Door. This book is a mindset book about how to become a prodigious accumulator of wealth. Everything from strategy and the way to think about it to what kind of cars do millionaires drive back in 1996. This is an updated version. I've had many versions. I've given away the book so many times. I needed to get another one to show you, but I love it. But the other one that I would say that probably is my contemporary favorite book on money psychology is literally in the title, Psychology of Money. So these two books, from a psychological perspective, this trio or quadruple or quad of books from an investment strategy, understanding the market, that's all you need to read. Honestly, if you never read another book on money, read those. And then speaking of books, I have no shame plugging my own book, because from a skill building perspective, you need to have the right skills. We just got done talking about personal wealth and accumulation of wealth, but you're coaching thousands and thousands of people. The one thing that I can tell you is that your skill sets will greatly affect your income and your ability to earn. And for those of you that already have the Zebra Code, I would love it if you put a review on Amazon. I rarely ask for those, and I know that if you've enjoyed it or however you felt about it, please go do that. And if you're interested in grabbing the book, Kara can drop the Amazon link for this guy as well. This is my career skill building booklet. It has my career success methodology, how to put the career plan together, the way I would approach skill building, and how it will affect your earning power. And anybody who's in my leadership coaching program has all of the video assets that go along with this book. So from a book's perspective, those are some of my absolute favorites. And the Zebra book will truly help you build the skills that will increase your earning power as well.